Πάμε.
Hello, my name is Panagiotis Simeonidis and I will present you our prototype system MovieXplain. Have you ever watched a movie that somebody recommended to you and felt you wasted your time? If yes, for sure you have wished that there was a reason to get, along with the recommendation, the reasoning behind it. Providing the explanations along with the recommendations is the solution. Our prototype system, MovieXplain, is a movie recommender system with robust explanations. MovieXplain proposes a novel approach that attains both accurate and justifiable recommendations. It relies on the democratic nature of voting. In essence, MovieXplain uses a simple heuristic to interpret a rating by user A to a movie B as a vote to the feature of movie B, actors, directors, etc. The justification style of MovieXplain combines the keyword and influence explanation styles, having the following form. Movie X is recommended because it contains features A, B, which are also combined included in movies ZW you have already rated. If inside the user's feature profile these features are frequent, this is a strong evidence for justifying our recommendations. Now let's see some slides about the need in the marketplace. As we can see, we have many movie rental internet stores like Amazon, Netflix, Apple, iTunes. These internet stores recommend movies, but they don't explain the reason. Our prototype MovieXplain system is an internet-based application that recommends movies and explains the reason. It includes 4 subsystems: a web crawler that searches internet for movies, features, directors, actors, photos, etc. A database profile with the movie profile, the user rating profile, and the user feature profile. We have also our recommendation engine with MovieXplain algorithm and feature similarity. Also, we have our website where the explanation system, the rating system, and a search engine. Now, a user rates movies like here we have the movie 8 Seconds that it has rated with 4 stars, and then our MovieXplain system constructs a user rating profile. We have the movie title and the ratings. Also, it constructs the user's feature profile. We have the directors and the scores. For example, Bruce Willis with score 7. Finally, our recommendations are as follows. We recommend movie title Jackal, The Jackal. The reason is Bruce Willis because you rated 7 movies with this feature. You can visit our website dlab.csd.auth.gr MovieXplain, where you can log in as demo user and see more information. We believe that this is an important prototype system that could be long and have scalability, long-term and has scalability, and this is all, folks. Thank you very much.